Hello everybody, thank you for joining us for another episode here at Everest Conversions. I'm proud to present another custom conversion that we have put together for a very special VIP customer of ours. First off, we have a very unique set of Ultra wheels on a set of Toyo tires. We went with a 10-ply all-terrain tire in order to give you the best drive on the highway and on the off-roads. Next, we have our 6.5-inch aluminum running board, giving you ease and comfort going in and out of your conversion. Up top, we got a custom fully welded aluminum roof rack. On the sides of the roof rack, we have a 52-inch light bar, giving you adequate lighting on the road. And then we have pod lights all around the sides and the back, lighting up to 40 feet on your surroundings. All our units also come equipped with a full tow package, 30-amp electrical hookup, city water hookup, fresh water inlet, industrial grade aluminum ladder to give you access to your roof rack, and teardrop windows that boost a 360 view from the interior. This conversion is very unique and dear to us here at Everest Conversion. The customer, upon her arrival to our facility, brought to our attention that she had a unique piece within the conversion, and that is a piece of chandelier she had inherited from her grandmother, who has recently passed away. We took this moment to bring the conversion and connect it to her, making it one of a kind. We had custom built handles on all the cabinetry to match the chandelier that her grandmother once had. Next, we have a very unique appliance package. We have a true 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. We have an induction cooktop, and then we have a high-point stainless steel refrigerator. Along with the appliance package, we have a on-demand electric hot water heater and a 12-volt air conditioning, able to run up to 40 hours just off your batteries. A common concern amongst traveling in a van conversion is storage capacity, but rest assured, here at Everest, we bring a wonderful resolution to that problem. Up front, we have dual overhead compartments. We have upper cabinets that span the length of the van, giving you maximum storage capacity. Our doors are on soft close hinges, as you can see here, giving the ability to close by themselves. We have storage in the bench, storage underneath your sink, storage drawers in every square inch of your galley cabinet, underneath the fridge, next to the fridge, around the electrical box, and more. We have additional cabinetry on the passenger side here next to the microwave. And of course, we have access to your garage compartment, giving you an additional 20 square or cubic feet of storage space, accessible from the main living area. In the garage space, as you can see, we have adequate garage storage. On my right-hand side here, we have our 30-gallon water reservoir, along with the air conditioning water reservoir. On my left-hand side, we have two 200-amp Zoom batteries, equivalent to over 6,000 iPhone batteries, just to put in perspective. Full LED lighting, aluminum frame. We have a full Renogy solar system that gives you a charge controller, 3,000-watt inverter. You have all your fuses and Bluetooth capacity hookup here. Connects to your phone and gives you all the specs on your electrical and solar system. Above, we have a full-size bed. It spans perpendicular to the length of the van, maximizing your floor plan layout up top. And that concludes our walkthrough. Thank you for watching. It would mean a lot to us here at the team at Everest Conversions if you would subscribe and like, so that we can continue to create great content for you.